No, in real life is Beck Scrum on the 12th of June. I'm Matt. This is Sam. And Sam, do you want to start?
Yeah, it's a private project pairing day. Yeah, making progress, knocking through stuff in this Electron app. Yeah, there's some I think convoluted code. It's not using kind of like a framework. Oh gosh. Thank God I'm being paid by the hour. Anyway, so I was just thinking, oh gosh, hold on. Or I'm just gonna have to take this call. Give me a second.
Okay.
Hi, Mabel. Give me just 1 second.
Hello. Hey, Nicholas.
Hey, sorry about that. Hey, everybody.
How's it going?
Total chaos.
Cool. So Sam was just in the middle of talking about the private Tuesdays.
Yes, that's right. And yeah, some gnarly code that I'm working on. At least I'm getting paid by the hour. Yeah, and my kids are having like activity chaos in the background. So all these phone calls are just, oh gosh. Anyway, but I'm kind of maybe finishing up for the day on that. The blocks are all on sorting out admin, sorting out all the sponsorships, sorting out all of the stuff for the upcoming conference. Kind of getting there, hoping to get some more done tonight. I'm just thinking the thing I really should have done is set up Matt with access to the AV YouTube, which I will do right now so that he can start these things on his account. Yeah, that's pretty much my report. Hoping to spend all of tomorrow on the NHS project.
Cool. Awesome. I'll go real quick. Yeah, I started working on that, importing jQuery as a dependency in Phoenix for the Championeer 1 project. And then we noticed that there was actually some dependency issues that we needed to upgrade. So put in an issue on that and upgraded them and put in the PR and it merged and deployed, I think, unless there are any problems. And that actually helps out with the blocker that Euclidus was having deploying to Google Cloud Platform. So that's cool. And I'm actually in kind of the middle of a pairing session with Robert on Hund Funk mit Bashman. So I'm going to get back to that when I get wrapped up. And you, Nicholas?
Yep. I did a couple fixes to the dependable upgrades. Now rack timeout is using M variables. It is not using anymore the config initializers files. So what we have now is in all three instances in Heroku, a new M variable that is handling the timeout. And I did the setup to the 20 seconds that all the production environments should have, as it was configured in our system. And I added the M variable to the documentation because now we all will need to add that to our configuration in order not to break locally, because requests locally will take longer, and with VBAC it won't work. And after that, I started writing for our Congress, let's say. I don't know. Yeah, for our presentation, maybe I don't know this weekend, but maybe during the next week, I can submit something to you or send you an email for you to check. I don't know, a little bit what I have.
Yeah, I'm going to be contacting all of the people to try and get everybody to have like 2 or 3 slides, or just that they're going to show for their presentation. So
cool.
That would be great. Yeah.
Perfect. Awesome. And yeah, that's it. I need to still work on that pull request for the Mercury upgrade. And have you heard back from some of the project owners regarding the upgrade for README and pitch that we did?
The only one I think was Federico has this issue about which repo is used to pull in the README, because I think on the Phoenix 1 project or something they have like multiple ones, and just the one anyway, so there's a new feature request for being able to specify the oh god, what's it called? To specify the which is the primary repo for a given project, and thus the one.
Okay, cool. Yeah,
Yeah,
maybe in the
so
future we can give to the users the ability to select which
Right.
file we should pull. So
right.
yeah, cool.
And I noticed any blockers before?
No, not right now. No.
And I noticed we have someone else joined us. I don't know if you want to say something. You're certainly welcome to, or if you don't want, it's okay. You can just listen in.
It's Joseph. Hey, Joseph.
Joseph,
Hi. And hello, Matthew and
Hello.
Nicholas. Nice to meet you.
Hi there.
Yes,
Nice to meet you.
Yes. So, yes, I joined this meeting to know what kind of skills in each project can we learn or know more about the technical. So maybe I will choose one during the discussion and get some more knowledge of the discussion.
Yeah.
So currently, I do not involve any agile venture project.
Right.
So my daily coding now, I'm just writing the lead code. Do you know lead code?
No.
Lead code.
Lead code.
Yes, lead code.
I don't know about lead code. Is that a programming language?
Lead code. No.
The website. It's a website.
Yeah, it's a website. Yes,
Okay, cool.
I try to solve problems in the lead code to practice my algorithm and data structure skill.
Yeah.
Right. Cool.
Yes.
Yeah, so I was just sharing my screen to show you a list of these are the different active projects. I think actually Federico is showing their Rails, Elixir, Elm. So we fairly regularly post the projects and their things. So this is the projects in terms of the tech stack. Can you see here which ones they're using?
Yes.
Yeah, we also have that on the Agile Ventures Getting Started page, where we've got this kind of breakdown of some of the more active projects and which technologies they are using.
Oh, okay, I got it. I see.
Yeah, if there is a particular, you're interested in Ember.js, then Runfunc Investment is a great one to get into, or or if you're interested in Ethereum Node, then Y is great. So yeah, any other questions about things that you're looking for or projects?
Currently, no. But if I have other question, I will raise my question to you.
Great stuff.
Awesome. So I think that's our Scrum. Now we're in the after Scrum.
We're in yeah, and so I was just going to check in, Matthew. Yeah, the situation with AV Jitsi was clear, right? Yeah. But the screen share has been working for you well in the AV Jitsi?
I don't know, because we didn't get really very far into screen sharing. I know that because Robert's he's got a new machine and he's having problems in Hangouts and in Jitsi, so it has nothing to do with that. And he was able to see my screen when I shared. We did have a couple of those connectivity issues that are kind of common in Jitsi, but nothing this did. And I guess I thought that I was there with the start and stop camera, and I was thinking, oh yeah, so I just need to start the camera and that'll start the broadcast. It'll go to the Agile Ventures YouTube page.
Right.
That's quite convenient. But then I realized that actually that was starting and stopping my camera on my laptop. So
oh, okay, right. Yeah. So in principle, we can set it up for video streaming. Actually the screen sharing was not too difficult to set up. So I had some optimism about the streaming, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, but that's great. I should let you get back to be with Roberts, and yeah, Nico. That all sounds like great progress. Yeah, I will need to pull lots of things in. So unless there's anything else that we need to sort.
No, I think you're done.
Yep.
Cool.
All right.
Thank you,
See you
guys.
guys.
Good to see you all.
Bye.
Bye for now.
Soon.